Welcome to the INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast and correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing here. I want to just unlock the device with my glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does it works. So 1, 2, 3. As we can see, here is no problem just to unlock the device also with the glasses. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.